Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Does Marcus die in Gears 5? Some definitely thought that Marcus would die in the events of Gears of War 4, and I thought there was a possibility that he could die during this game. Instead though, Marcus is alive and well, but possibly mourning depending on whether or not you chose to save Del or JD the 17th of September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Taking part in the program herself, she conceived her son, James Dominic Fenix, as she was previously unable due to being barren, but later died in 27 AE from birthing complications of her second, unborn child.
Let's help you make your mark.
User info: Matt Dart. Marcus was in prison during the first game due to disobeying orders to abandon his father. This caused the humans to lose a vital battle and had him stripped of rank and sent away for life in prison. 3 April 2012.
Let's help you make your mark.
Anya died when James was 6 and players can visit her grave in the 4th game. How she died isn't revealed, but a conversation between Dom and Jin in Gears 5 heavily implies Anya's death was due to complications from trying to have a second child. 3 January 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.